Politically, we want our country to mature. And I think that this is the time when we confront our own Filipino souls about where we can go as a country. Ano yan eh? Itong nangyayari ngayon, parang almost impossible to think about before. Everything was spoken about in hushed tones when it came to Sandigan Bayan cases and corruption cases. Pero ngayon, people are very conscious. In fact, they're very, very impatient about our work. But they have to learn, the people have to learn that it's all a process. As budding lawyers, I will call you budding lawyers because you're almost there. We know that our first job is to protect the rights of the accused. That's why we don't really want to go slow, but we want to be deliberate with every step we take in this office. I hope you saw that in motion when you were here. Yung pagrespeto ng karapatan ng bawat isa ay napakahalaga.